Teachers? Have you ever wanted to sell your amazing lesson plans on Teachers Pay Teachers? I would love to help you because I've been very successful with selling my lessons on Teachers Pay Teachers. Even if you already have an account, you can still find something that you'll find useful. I was sick of paying thousands of dollars for courses, even though I did get a lot out of them, to grow my store when I was a struggling beginner. So to help others, I started making free YouTube videos.
And really cheap, really cheap mini courses
that are specific to your needs to help you grow your business, whether it's a side hustle or a big gig like full-time like me. Courses like how to create products, how to choose the best search titles, how to write a snippet, and how to write descriptions, just to name a few. Because I think what you guys do is the most important job in the whole wide world. But we can all use some extra cash, right? Let me help you. Click the links below if you think any of these mini courses would be helpful for you.